Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to actually implement top function, and with some examples we'll get the knowledge, we'll actually get the knowledge of about it, how it is used and how it gives the output. And for that also we are going to build a small pipeline, right? So first, for a new beginner, if you haven't installed Apache Beam GCP, then in your terminal just go to your terminal and just write pip install Apache Beam for the GCP, right? After that we need to do the simple import Apache Beam as Beam. Then we need to actually define a function. Let's name it top, right? So top global, and it's test none, and there we can actually go to total. Let's we are creating, oh, okay, so what we need to do is we need to actually first create a pipeline. For that we need to write with beam dot pipeline as pipeline, right? As pipeline, we are going to actually create a variable. Let's name it as total, where we are going to use this pipeline by for creating. Okay, so now we are going to create a p collection by ourselves. Let's give it let's give it a name as creating p collection, right? P collection, and then we are going to beam dot create, and then we are going to use, for example, any value 22, 33 for, right? After this we are going to actually calculate the, or we are going to actually implement the top function. Let's write largest and beam dot combiners, oh, beam dot combiners dot top dot largest, and we need to actually declare some value. Like if I want the largest value from this list, we need to write 1. If I want for the largest value, we need to actually declare 1 here, okay? And after this we are going to print this up, right? For printing we are going to write beam dot map print, right? After writing beam dot print, we need to write test none, and then we need to call this function up. Name and top global, right? Let's print this up. Okay, so it's giving a small error map for the map, right? So we need to actually use capital M here, uppercase M. Okay, so it has given us the value of 3344, which means the largest among all these integer in the list is 3344, which can also be seen by ourselves also, right? But if I change this value to 2 and then run it, then it will give the two largest element of the list. Like after 3344, 33 is the second largest element, so it gave us the both, right?